questions. Okay, so I have another video. This one is sponsored by Unice, and I think this is Unice Amazon. If I'm not mistaken, I will have the link to this down below because we love a good Amazon pickup. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna open this box with you guys and to see what is actually in here. So here go all the goodies. The wig, of course. Wig did come with elastic bands, wig caps, wig bonnets, eyelashes, and the wig, of course, this is a 24-inch closure wig. I believe this is a 5x5. It does come with 3 combs and an adjustable strap. I'm sorry. Now the lace, the wig actually, it has small knots on it, so it should be easy to bleach. It is pre-plucked. I am excited about that, so I don't have to do too much. But I've never bleached. I don't think I've ever bleached Amazon wig, so we're gonna do that today. We're just gonna throw on a little bit of bleach on this and just spread it throughout the wig so it can have a little bit of color variation. And we're gonna go from there. Okay, so yeah, let's do a quick bleach session on here. All right, so you need a bowl, your tinting brush, your bleach of choice, your developer of choice. I'm using Quick Blue and 30 volume like I always do. I'm gonna pour a good amount of developer, and then I'm gonna probably take a scoop and a half of bleach, mix that all together to get the consistency that I want. And then I'm just gonna start applying the bleach after everything is mixed to the ends of this wig. So I'm making sure that I work the bleach all the way through the ends because I want it a solid color. I don't want to see any of the natural hair tone at the tips or the ends of this hair. And basically all I'm going to do is at this point, I'm going to just feather the color up. So I'm going to make sure that it's heavily saturated, and then I'm going to feather the bleach all the way up to a little bit above mid shaft of the wig, and you're gonna see me how I feather it up. So basically this is like the laziest way to bleach a wig to make an ombre little situation, but you know, sometimes you're just not in the mood to just, you know, bleach the proper way. And I did go in and bleach these knots after I put the bleach on here, so I do want to say that I did bleach these knots. So you see me combing it through to make sure that it's heavily saturated inside the wig, because I want to make sure that everything is saturated. And then at this point, this is as much as a saturation that I want for the tips. So then now I am going to feather it up. So that's what you're going to see me doing now. And then I'm going to flip the wig over, and then I'm going to feather it also up like that. So basically I'm pushing the hair up, which is going to help give it a blended effect. Now normally you will like tease the hair up to do this, but I don't got no time for that. So yeah, so that's exactly what I did. After I apply all this bleach, I'm going to make sure that it is heavily saturated, and then I'm going to let it process for about 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes is good for me to go ahead and rinse it out. Okay, so here we are. So this is processed for about 15 minutes. I am not going to go in and tone this wig at all because I love the tone that it was. A little bit brassy, a little bit cool, but it came out pretty dope if you ask me. At this point, I've already bleached the knots. So yeah, I bleached the knots while the actual bleach was still on the wig. I'm removing all of the bleach off of it. I did go in with some shampoo and shampoo the hair. You can use any shampoo of your choice, but I am only showing you me deep conditioning the hair because I did bleach it. So I am using silicone mix, and I do leave it on for 15 minutes so it can help, you know, revitalize the wig, because this is an Amazon wig and you don't know what you really getting. So you want to make sure that you are, you know, heavily saturating the wig with a good conditioner and then letting it process. And this conditioner is good for color treated hair. So I highly would recommend this particular conditioner for any of your wigs. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like after it has been dried, and I'm gonna go in and put some basically low ball wand curls. That's what you could do, but I use a curler in this wig, and so basically I just alternate the curls going opposite directions for each curl that I make to get the look that I am looking for. And it's basically like a beach wave, you feel me? So I felt like it would look good because it'll help the ombre, you know, really pop. So I end up doing this to the entire wig, and these are the curls, and I'm just gonna go ahead with my fingers, and I'm gonna just go ahead and comb that out just so, you know, I could get the look that I am looking for. I did use some spritz to help keep the curls from falling. And yeah, so I'm just gonna play with the hair until I get it to how I like it to look. And this is what she was looking like. As you can see, when you feather it up, you're gonna have some lighter areas and darker areas, and that is super perfect because it just looks like your hair is just super sun-kissed. But you know, the color could be better, but you know, of course I was brushing and I just didn't want to do it the proper way. So we're gonna go ahead and do the install. Now this is going to be a quick glueless install. I am going to take my Ruby Kisses and I am going to pat that on the hairline because the lace is definitely lighter than me and I want it to match. Okay, and after this I'm going to go ahead and pin away my baby hairs and cut off the seams. You definitely want to cut off the seams because it's going to help your lace lay down flatter and it's going to help look like a frontal when it's not. All right, and then I'm going to tug the lace lightly and then go ahead and cut off the excessive lace with my razor and to lay the baby hairs. And this is the only product that I am going to use on the hairline. I am going to use the lace jelly and to lay my baby hairs, and that is about it, you guys. This was super easy to do. I feel like this is definitely beginner friendly, so if you have any questions, let me know. So at this point I'm just going to continue to lay my baby hairs, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and touch up my hair. I felt like the top of my hair was a little bulky, so I went with my pressing comb and pressed out the top of the hair. And then in order to get my waves back in my front of my hair, because when I initially curled it was 2 days, 2 days prior to me doing this install, so like my curls had fallen by then. So I still had waves, but they wasn't like, you know, wavy in the front. So I had to go back in and do the little curls in the front just to give it a little bit more shape. And that was about it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them down below in the comment section. I will leave all the information to this wig down below and everything that I use to achieve this color down below. You know, this is one of my favorite colors. Like, I always do this color on my channel in different variations. And so yes, you guys, and until next time, bye, best friends.
On the beat.